In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an image slider in Shopify's Dawn theme. Whether you're showcasing products, promotions, or just looking to enhance your store's visual appeal, an image slider can make a big impact. Let's dive into it. First, make sure you've logged into your Shopify admin panel. Your dashboard is the hub for all modifications, so once you're there, go to the Online Store section on the left-hand menu. This is where you'll be able to access everything you need related to your store's appearance and functionality. Click on Themes, and from here, you'll see the current theme you have in use, which should be Dawn. If it's not, ensure that Dawn is published so that our modifications apply to the correct theme. Next, you'll need to click on the Customize button next to the Dawn theme. Doing this will take you to the theme editor, where you can directly see and make changes that affect the look and functionality of your store. In this editor, you'll see the home page by default. Along the left side, there's a list of all your sections. We're going to add a new one for the image slider. Scroll down to the bottom of this list, and you'll see a button labeled Add Section. Click on it. This brings up a variety of options, but what you're looking for is a slider. Depending on the version of Dawn, you might have different options, so look for something named Slideshow or Image Slider. Once you find it, click Add, and it will become a part of your home page layout. Now, an image slider isn't complete without images. You can upload these by clicking on the section you just added, then under the Content tab, click Add Image. As you upload images, remember they should be high quality and well suited for your site's design to maintain a professional look. Consider your store's overall aesthetics and choose images that are consistent with your brand. With your images in place, you have options to customize further. You can set how quickly the slides change, whether they transition automatically or require manual navigation. These settings are crucial for user experience. For example, if you have detailed images, you may want to give visitors a bit longer to look at each one. Adjust the timing or animation speed accordingly so that it's not too fast or too slow. Check the changes in the preview to make sure that everything looks as you'd expect. If it doesn't, go back and tweak the settings until you're satisfied. Once you're happy with how it looks and functions, go ahead and save your changes. Clicking the Save button ensures everything is applied to your live store. Finally, take a moment to view your store as a visitor would. Navigate to your home page and see how the slider is performing in real time. This is your chance to catch any last-minute adjustments you might need to make. With that, you've successfully added an image slider to your Shopify store using the Dawn theme. Great job! Wherever you are in the process, remember that tweaking is part of design. Adjust until it fits just right.